Today is an exciting time as we are about to reveal the 6 new limited drop boots that we are coming out with. Really exciting news is the first limited drop is in customs, about to be cleared, and will hopefully be on your feet any day now. For this limited drop, we wanted to celebrate World Ranger Day. Not only World Ranger Day, but a milestone that I never thought we would ever achieve. And that is we have put on feet over 10,000 pairs across not just Southern Africa, but now going into Northeastern Africa as well. It is something I never imagined doing, and one day we'll do a little video on how the Boots for Rangers donation program came about. So for every 10 pairs that we sell of African Rangers, we donate a pair to a ranger in need, and it's just rightfully so that we have sold so many of these, because the African Ranger is simply just an amazing boot and why we offer it in so many specs. So let's dive into these limited drop boots, African Rangers, and then we have one outsider that we'll also discuss at the end of this video. So first up, let's see what we have here. So this is an African Ranger that we almost didn't add to this limited drop. But we did think for our limited drops, we want to do one boot, maybe two, that just stands out and is something a little different. And this is the one that we have decided to do here. So what we have is the African Ranger upper. It is made on our STC last and with our JG black leather. And what we have done is finished it off with the red stitching on the upper and the red stitched down thread. And I think you can see just how amazing this boot looks with the black and the red that come together. Now the boot's midsole is a polyester woven midsole, so it does mean it is slightly on the lighter side compared to a normal African Ranger, but where we counted that weight, we have made this boot double lasted. Now the reason we did this is because by the time these boots get on your feet, especially in the Northern Hemisphere, it is going to be winter. So a double lasted African Ranger with a unique touch. Now that double lasted does make it more water resistant, not waterproof, but for a good amount of hours, if this boot is treated correctly, will keep water out. It all comes together with our black tire wedge outsole, tying the whole boot together, a really awesome option. So that is boot number 1. Let's get on to African Ranger number 2. Okay, next up, something to the camera, maybe not so unique, but what we actually have here is a barefoot African Ranger in our Bronco leather. Now what you can't see on the camera is that this is our composite toe cap. So it is ASTM approved, ready for the work site. I'm sure you're all well aware that this is probably one of the best and well-priced boots available on the market. Now what we have done is finished it off with our Africa outsole. We have double lasted this boot, so you are getting something really durable. The downside to this, if you're into true barefoot spec, is that this boot isn't going to be as flexible out of the box that you may be hoping for. As we discussed, double lasted, really water resistant, is going to keep water out for numerous hours, and this Bronco leather with its pull up is really robust, and with time and wear ages really nicely. Whereas here, zero drop, built for the work site. African Ranger number 3. Okay, not that exciting, as we've just chatted on the pair of African Rangers and Bronco, but then again, sometimes less is more. And as we have seen, this Bronco leather has been really well received, double lasted once again with a composite toe cap, and finished off with our tire wedge outsole. Here we have gone for a polyester woven midsole, making it a little bit more lightweight on the job site. So another boot made for the work site, ASTM approved, double lasted Bronco leather, tire wedge outsole, polyester woven midsole, and a boot that's just made to do it all. African Ranger number 4. Okay, here again we have gone for something that's not as exciting as boot number 1. It's going to be hard to beat that. But due to the popular demand of our Anatom X last, we had to add another one of our best selling leathers in this option for you guys to get your hands onto. So this is Anatomix African Ranger and African Buffalo leather. Now the spec is exactly the same as our Anatomix barefoot boots. No steel shank, leather midsole, and our Africa outsole. We had to develop this outsole to fit this last, being just so wide. Now there are many of you that have been loving this last because it's just made for your feet, and we happen to be one of the wider options out there. So that is African Ranger, Anatomix, African Buffalo. Our last African Ranger, before we get on to the outlier of this limited drop, happens to be, this is something not that exciting, and it's such a small change, but we said to ourselves, why not do this? And that is the original barefoot African Ranger in our fudge gym green shoelaces, and the only change we have done here is the Africa outsole. We've been getting some really awesome feedback on the sole, just for those of you that are wanting to get a few extra miles out of it. So there it is, fudge African Ranger, green shoelaces, no steel shank, Africa outsole, and our barefoot last. So not as wide as the Anatomix, but for many, including myself, this one does the job. And last but not least is the legend of our range, the Razorback. And what we have decided to do here is give it a streamlined look, and obviously in one of our better selling leathers, the Bronco. So here we have Razorback, Bronco brown leather, streamlined look. So we've taken away the green shoelaces, gone for our brown. We've taken away the Razorback embossing, but you still get the gym green embossing on the tongue. We wouldn't want to leave everything completely off. You have our traditional yellow gym green lining, which means that the boot, as per all our Razorbacks, is double lasted. We've then gone for our polyester woven midsole, making it nice and lightweight and a very versatile hiker. And we've gone with our JG lug outsole in the R5 spec. This boot is obviously made for working, made for walking, and it's been in our range since day one. So it's a no-brainer once again to introduce it in Bronco leather, give you guys something that can age with time, patina really well, and just good to have a little bit of light shined on our Razorback again. So that finishes it off, our 5 African Rangers and a pair of Razorbacks for this limited drop. So you have until the end of the month to get your orders in. We then take those orders, manufacture, and try and get them onto your feet as soon as possible, and it should be before the end of this year. So thanks very much for watching. Let us know in the comment section below what styles you may want to see or anything that we can better here, and we will see you on the next episode.